Hello, my name is Yusuf. I'm the CEO and founder of My Trading Bot. Now today what we're going to go through is how to use the IDEA Pro Gold trading bot that we offer on our website. So just to make it clear, it's this one here, the one that's gold for £69. Now, once we've set up the robot for you, you'll receive an email and you can also request your VPS details. What's a VPS? A VPS is a virtual private server. In simple words, it's simply a computer that runs 24 hours a day so that your robot can trade 24 hours a day as well. Now, once you've purchased it and everything's set up, you can request for your details, and once you log in, you'll see a page that looks like this. So depending on the amount of money that you've invested into your brokerage account, we'll either set you up with 1, 2 or more currencies. At the moment for this account, we have 2 currencies. As you can see, there's Euro USD and USD JPY. In order to get into the settings for the trading bot, you just double click on the top right corner of this window, and then you'll come up with a window like this. All we need to focus on is comment. In the input section, please do not play around with this section unless you absolutely know what you're doing, because you can really mess up the bot and lose a lot of money. So we'll focus on the comment section. Here in this box, you have 3 options: only long, only short, long and short. What do these words mean? I'll tell you. Only long means that the bot will only buy, it will never sell. Only short means it will only sell, it will never buy. Long and short means that it can buy and sell. So this is something that you're going to have to set up on a daily basis in order for you to get the most out of your trading bot. But how do you know what setting to put? Well, I'm going to go through it with you. Open up TradingView or any of your preferred technical analysis software and bring up the chart. Euro USD here we have with a 1 hour time frame. Now, how do you know what trend it is? Is it a bullish trend, so that means going up, or is it a bearish trend, that means going down? Well, you look at this thing. Where is the price going? So at the moment it's going from top here to bottom here. That means that it's a bearish trend, which means it's a downward trend. If, for example, back through the times, it was going from bottom to top, that would be considered an upward trend. So as it's currently a downward trend, we should probably set up the robot to short only. So how you do that, go here, click on only short and click OK. That's it. Now we have another currency, USD JPY. So let's have a look at that. Go back to TradingView, enter the currency pair on the 1 hour time frame, and here we can see that it's an upward trend. It's going from bottom to top. Therefore, we need to set it up to do long only trades, only long. And it's as simple as that. So just make sure that you check the charts every day or two, adjust the trading bot to match the direction of the charts, and you should give yourself the maximum chance for you to make the most money. I hope that this has helped. Let us know if you need any other support. You can catch us in the support section or the live chat on our website. And I hope you have a successful investment experience with My Trading Bot. Thank you.